Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Zion family. So this is what I'll be eating this morning. This is amala and the wedu. Okay, Hubby went to buy for me. And here he is. He said his stomach is biting him. So as the last born he is, he has been acting funny. Whew, so let's eat a wedu and baby come, let's eat together now. So that your stomach will stop. Okay guys, so let's hey guys, hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Welcome to the Zion family. So it's another beautiful day and I'm right at FMC here in Asaba. Okay, I have an appointment today with my doctor and I'm here. Okay, so I was referred to a scan. There's this scan they asked me to do, so that's why I'm here. And after that, then I'll be taking the result to the doctor. I'm late though, but it's okay. I just hope they will not send me back. Chidogo is at home and she's upstairs with Temi them. Okay, and my husband is at home craving for beans, beans and scent leaf and dry fish. I told him it's not his belly, it's not his tummy that is disturbing him. Maybe he's craving for something or he's hungry. Okay, so I don't know, but he's at home, lying on the floor. But trust me, he's okay. He's just looking for something. Anyway, let's go and see. Okay, so you all are welcome to the channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, all right. Papa. Quem é? Quem que é o pato? Okay, eu fiz Saria. Okay, so I'm done from the hospital and I'm here to buy things for the Bichido. Andiamo a finire là che. Ok. Mama, say hi. Hi. Sakara Akali, I said you should say hi. You are shaking your head. Okay, she just had her bath now, and she's looking beautiful. Mama, say hello. Say hello now. Okay, so that Puchku have rushed to get me her for this morning, so let me eat. Okay, good. There you go, mommy. Say hi. We run the plant though. It's a planting season, and I'm here to plant. Marcus, Madam Pukon. Then they come out.
How where they put which day?
6 cent leaf that time. The water leaf never big. Oh. I don't understand. Why you they follow me? Ha! I beg God, man, know the one I they run from. Where the water leaf there, man? Ha!
Just I know they want place. Just and you don't plant this one, it just germinate.
This Pregnant Women Association of Nigeria wants to eat water leaf soup.
We want to eat water leaf.
Me, I just want to plant only water leaf and ugu this season.
You no go fit talk this water leaf wey you dey collect. I no go even collect am. No, you don't. Na me dey tell. I tell you the thing plenty.
Me and her we go just fight here.
I beg, I no get strength. The one wey I waka for cable.
Oh, this is so fresh. So
Very fresh.
let's harvest.
Hey.
Now to go buy fish.
Maybe I dey tell you say space.
Name that one.
This one don't do. This one wey do. No, now no be water leaf dey here. This water leaf wey dey here, sef, una no go chop am finish. Too much.
See, you see the grow, sir. Let them go do that place for me. Make I come carry small water leaf, go put there.
You see this your side, the water leaf dey fresh and well. Winter is here. You come and pack them. You don't do.
See my water leaf.
Very fresh.
This is Vivian Reality's farmer.
Fresh pass the one wey
Farm.
dey sell for market. I don't plant cassava for here like this.
Don't worry, I will show you people my farm. See my farm that side. Never forget this farm.
Cassava stems.
Where? Okay. Apple. So, make I go make water leaf. Ha. Sharp. I don't even know when I do all these ones because I was dealing with something.
Dealing with what is dealing with you.
Dealing with what is dealing with me and not be smarter. Now don't plant yam. Fantabulous. Okay guys, so this is what my soup looks like. So I've been eating since, so I forgot, I just remembered. So we are really enjoying it. We're enjoying it too. That our tummy is big, but we have to eat something. Mommy Bia, hey guys, hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So I finished eating about an hour ago, and we are just outside here with my fellow pregnant woman.
Yes, sir.
We are receiving fresh air.
Keep her down now.
Say hi.
Say hi. This one we are. What is this
Mommy,
one?
say hello.
Say hello.
Say hi. Show us your hair. Your hair. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, baby. Okay, guys. Okay, everybody wants to say. Hey, and this is Jojo. Jo, say hi. And this is Kenechuku. Can I say hi? And this is the Ogo. The Ogo, say hi. Kiss. Okay guys, so keep watching. We are receiving fresh air, okay? Hey guys, hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So it's another beautiful day and here I am. Okay, so I've been here for like hours now, okay? And the truth is, I'm not getting myself. I'm not like, I'm so weak. I'm so tired. And all I can do is just lie down here. Okay, so guys, see, it's not easy. Okay, I said, I'm getting better. Okay, like I'm far better than I used to be, and I was hoping that we keep, getting better. But all of a sudden, almost, hey, baby, don't humble me. I swear to God, baby, don't humble me. So right now, I can't do anything. I can't even cook. Like if I do any small thing, I get weak. So I'm just lazing about, okay? Because that's what I'm going to call it. If you see here, this is my bucket. It's for vomiting and spitting. Someone said, I think I saw a comment where someone said I shouldn't be cutting off while I'm vomiting. But just like, how will people feel seeing you vomiting, throwing up? So I feel,
it's not good, so I try to avoid it. Yeah, so I don't know. Some people might not want to see that. You understand? So that's why I always cut it off. So don't feel bad, okay? So yeah, and I have my finger here. I'm using it to control the speed. At first, we were not able to control the spitting, but now we are trying, and the chewing gum is helping. Just that the only thing that at the end of the day, I'll be having headache. Then my teeth will be paining me. If I want to chew something, I'll be, feeling some pains. I'll be feeling some pains and all that. So it's not really easy. So I called my sister to come and help me to fix something. Um, so she's in the kitchen helping me out, and I'm grateful for her. Okay, because each time I call her, she's always here to answer me, even when she's tired. Like as I'm talking to you right now, she's not even feeling too fine. But whenever I call her, she's always here just to help me out. So I'm so grateful and thankful for her. She has been of great help to me ever since I started this journey. Okay, so God bless her. And also, if I eat something before we don't get to eat, but now if we eat, like we eat in the morning, our tummy will just grow so big, like they call it constipation, right? Or bloating stomach or bloated stomach, I don't know. But if I eat, my tummy will just grow so big and I'll be able to take any other thing. Even if I'm hungry, I won't eat any other thing because the tummy will be making you so uncomfortable. You will even be begging to just fat. Mess. You'll be begging to mess so that you see if you can be able to free yourself, you know. But sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. And if I take fruits, sometimes it gets worse. I get to vomit. Jesus Christ. So it makes me get scared of fruits. Anyway, my sister bought watermelon for me, and I'm going to try it very soon. I need to try it and see. Okay, more few people said I should try vegetables, so I'll be trying them. Because this one of not eating, like you eat in the morning and that's what you carry till night, sometimes the next day. Okay, so it doesn't make sense at all. And guys, my thumb is growing so big, like I never go anywhere. My thumb is as like during Chidogo's pregnancy. This was Chidogo's 9 months pregnancy. I'm telling you, Chidogo's 9 months pregnancy. Because during Chidogo's 6 months safe, my belly was still small. I was even pushing it out. But this one I never go anywhere. Belly don't shoot out. All these are making me they're making like I'm not used to big belly. Okay, so if I stand like this, I'll be looking at my Jesus. Look at small thing. The belly is so big. It's big. But Chidogo's own was small. I thought that's how I was like, yeah, I used to have small tummy, but this one, I don't think so. This one is already showing herself or himself, whichever one. But all the same, we thank God. God will give us that strength. So also let me know in the comment section how far. Share your pregnancy symptoms with us. The Looks family, my fellow pregnant lady, how far? I've not been seeing your break light. Wait till happen. You have not been, posting like before. Wait till happen. Ugo Pago Empire. Ugo Pago don't go break. Ugo Pago Empire go break. Say, it's no easy. God is your strength. Silver reality. These are my fellow pregnant YouTubers that I know. So please, you guys should just help me check them out too, and also please share with us how far, how is the journey going. God is going to see us through. Okay, God is going to see all of us through in Jesus' name. This journey is not easy, but God is definitely going to see us through. So yeah, Oh, I'm talking to you. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, seriously, but what can I do? Belle is big. So I'll just try the watermelon and see. And I know it's gonna stay. Okay. So yeah, my bucket is my companion. I'm always with it in the room, in the parlor. So and I thank God for the journey so far. God will keep strengthening us. When I was in Port Harcourt enjoying, I wasn't feeling any of this. So immediately we got back, baby say, "Mommy, are we back?" And now let's start where we stopped. All my flexing, everything. Anyway, our darling sister Bree is back to US. Okay, we thank God for Johnny Mercy, and I thank the family for such opportunity, taking me out like in a new environment to enjoy myself. So yeah, we are back here, and baby can see that we are back and say, "Mommy, yeah, let's start from where we stop." Anyway, we are growing, and as time goes on we keep getting better. Okay, all right, keep watching, keep subscribing, and God bless you. Chidiogo, come. Also, so who is auntie and mommy? Oh, whose phone is this, brother? I say hello. See, I love you. Say hello to the camera. Say kiss, kiss for the camera. Say kiss, kiss. Yeah, bye bye. Okay, guys. So keep watching, and God bless you guys. Okay. All right. So bye bye. No, we are still Chidiogo. We are still here. I'm mommy, not auntie. If anybody comes and call me auntie 2 days, I'll become auntie. All right. So keep watching. Good morning. It's another beautiful morning. Baby girl is still sleeping, as you can see. I'm up already. Yeah, guess what? Ta-da! 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 Mommy just made akara. And she brought akara for me. So, hey guys. So, good morning. It was Mommy Kosi that even woke me up from sleep this morning. Okay. So she said she made akara and she brought for me. This is till 8 in the morning, and I was already hungry anyway. So I said, since akara is here, let them make pap for me so that I will take it. And since I I have taken pap just once. Yeah, I took pap and I vomited it then, and I'm not taking it again. But this morning, when I saw this akara, I started craving for the pap. So I asked them to make it for me, and here it is. So let's see if we can eat this breakfast. I can't wait because I'm already hungry. Sorry. We are eating. She just finished getting she's eating. I'm just out here. I'm feeling so weak. I'm tired, so I just decided to come outside and receive fresh air. Pam 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 pam. Yeah, clap for yourself. I'll clean your mouth.
No.
Hey guys.
So this is coconut. This is what is hungry enough now. And we're enjoying it. I'm taking the water. We don't swallow it though. When we chew it finish, we pour it out. So, try this. I want the one. Hi, my kid is pulling me.
Sorry.
So, I've given some to my fellow pregnant woman. And she's enjoying it. So yeah, keep watching and God bless you, okay? Can see I'm still rocking my mama.
Bless you.